Concentrate, guys. Here, journalize the following transactions in the books of Ramesh for the month of April. Now, one by one, you have to tell me. Okay, and we'll put the answer. Ramesh started business with cash. How much? 10,000. Please tell me the entry. What comes into the business? Cash account. Debit. How much? 10,000. Asset increases. Are barabar hai? I repeat, asset, expense, loss. If they increase, they are to be debited. If they decrease, they are to be what? Credited. Capital, liability, and LO means loss. L means liability. And income. If they increase, they are to be credited. If they decrease, they are to be what? Debited. So cash account, debit 10,000. Asset increases. Who puts in the money? Owner. Yes or no? So capital also increases. So capital increases to capital account. To capital account, credit how much? 10,000. All of you got it? This is the first one. Next. Second. Date 2nd April. Paid into bank. Paid into? Now bank balance is also an asset here. You are giving the money to the bank. So bank becomes your debtor. Bank becomes your? Understood. पैसा किसको दिया आपने? बैंक अकाउंट खोला तो पैसा बैंक को दिया ना, राइट? सो एसेट इंक्रीजेस. टेल मी. बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट. एसेट इंक्रीजेस टू एसेट डिक्रीजेस. एक एसेट कम हो रहा है, एक एसेट बढ़ रहा है. व्हाट इज अमाउंट? 7,000. Obviously cash is there, that is going into the bank. Is that clear? Now next, third. This is on first, this is on second, correct? 2nd April. 3rd April, bought goods for cash. Please tell me the entry. Yeah, tell me. Explain. Asset increases. Purchase are goods. When you purchase the goods, your assets are increasing. Or can I treat purchase or expenses? Yeah, either expense increase or asset increases. Purchases account debit to cash. Asset reduces. Amount कितना है? 500. Any difficulty? Hello? Okay, next. 4th. You have these notes, no? You have to keep on writing here, okay? Is that clear? Okay, I'll just finish off this first. Fourth, tell me. Drew cash from bank for, now this is interesting. You are withdrawing the cash from the bank. For what use? Tell me. What did you get? Or have you spent for office expenses? You are only withdrawing it for office use. You are still not spending it. Spend करने के बाद expense होगा. Yes. So you have withdrawn only the cash from the bank. So asset increases. बोलो. Cash account debit. And asset decreases. To bank. कितना amount? 100 and 100. बरोबर है? See, in narration we'll put later on. I just want you all to be perfect in your journal entries. All of you should answer now. Is that clear? And more important is what I'm putting in bracket. ये important है. मैं जो bracket में डाल रहा हूँ यही important है. Is that clear? Okay. आ जाओ. चलो. 5th one. Okay. 13th. 13th is the date. 13th को क्या है? बोलो. Sold goods to Krishna on credit. You have sold goods to Krishna on credit. Did you get anything? Cash तो नहीं मिला, मगर क्या मिला? Promise. You are going to receive. Krishna is an Krishna account debit. How much? What did you give? Goods. Goods will now be sales. Bracket में क्या डालूं? What should I put here? Asset reduces or income increases. Because goods are assets. When you sell it, आपका asset stock क्या हो जाएगा? कम हो जाएगा. Is that clear? Now 1 second, wait. I just want to tell in a easy manner. Sir, let us say I am Krishna, okay? You sell the goods to me. I have not given the cash to you. Ask a question. Hello, ask a question. In your own mother tongue you can ask. ಕನ್ನಡನ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. ಕೃಷ್ಣನ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬರಬೇಕು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಂದಾಯ್ತು. ದುಡ್ಡು ಬರತಕ್ಕದ್ದು ಯಾರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬರಬೇಕು? ಅವನ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್. यार कडेंदा दुड्डु बरबेकला ऑन अकाउंट डेबिट. ओके, हियर इट इन मराठी. हे ट्रान्झॅक्शन मध्ये तुम्ही विकला, कुणाला? कृष्णाला विकला. पैसे आले की येणार? कुणाच्याकडून पैसे येणार? प्रश्न विचारा. कुणाच्याकडून पैसे येणार? त्याचा अकाउंट डेबिट. कुणाच्याकडून पैसे यायचे असते ने त्याचा अकाउंट डेबिट. सिंपल. इज दैट क्लियर? अंडरस्टूड? हिंदी में यू हैव, आपने कृष्णा को बेचा है गुड्स क्रेडिट के ऊपर. पैसा आया है कि आने वाला है? आने वाला है. इज दैट क्लियर? अभी तक आया नहीं. सो आपके हिसाब से देखिए, आपके हिसाब से पैसा आने वाला है. करेक्ट? कहां से आने वाला है? कौन देने वाला है? वो कृष्णा. उसका अकाउंट डेबिट. अमाउंट रिसीवेबल फ्रॉम अ पर्सन, दैट पर्सन's अकाउंट शुड गेट व्हाट? डेबिटेड. इज दैट क्लियर? आई एम पुटिंग इट इन ऑल द लैंग्वेजेस, so whichever language is comfortable to you. Any difficulty? Okay. Next. Come down. Come down. Okay. Bought goods from Sham on credit. Bought goods from Sham. Now again ask the question, what did you get? First, what did you get? Are all of them should answer here. Open your mouth here. Come on, come on. What did you get? Goods are purchases. Understood? Purchase account debit. Asset increases or expense increases. Purchase account debit. What did you give? You have not given cash, sir. You have not given cash. Look at this. It is on credit. आपने किसको प्रॉमिस दिया? क्या करके प्रॉमिस दिया? पैसा दूंगा. पैसा दूंगा मीन्स लायबिलिटी इंक्रीजेस. पैसे देने, दुड्डू कोडतक्कदू, पैसा देना है. किसको देना है? तो उसका अकाउंट क्रेडिट. यार दुड्डू कोडबेकला ऑन अकाउंट क्रेडिट. कुणाला पैसे द्यायचं आहे ना, त्याचा अकाउंट क्रेडिट. सो कुणाला पैसे द्यायचं आहे? टू श्याम. लायबिलिटी इंक्रीजेस. इज दैट क्लियर? कितना है? 225. दिस इज डेट 20th ना. नाउ 24th. हो 24th को क्या हो रहा है देखो. Hear it. What is there? Received from? Sir, you have to receive from Krishna 150 actually. Now tell me, this and this entry is connected? 13th and 24th. Are they connected? Yes. Because on 13th you sold the goods to Krishna. You have to receive from him 150. Now you are receiving from him how much? And allowed him a discount of? Clear? Now, received from Krishna 145, allowed him a discount of 5, is a transaction. Answer, what did you get? Cash. Very good. Asset increases. Cash account debit. कितना? 145, not 150 यार. 145 का cash मिला ना. 5 rupees you did not receive means you are giving a discount to Krishna. So this discount received or allowed? And discount allowed is an income or expense? तो ये ट्रांजैक्शन की वजह से आपका एक्सपेंस बढ़ रहा है. डिस्काउंट अलाउड. डिस्काउंट अलाउड 5. करेक्ट. नाउ प्लीज टेल मी, इधर कृष्णा अकाउंट डेबिट हुआ था ना? हेलो. Now his account should get reversed. You close his account. Reverse means his account should get what? Credited. Means asset reduces. Debtors balance reduces. Asset reduces. Debtors balance reduces. Tell me, 2 कितना? 150. Any difficulty? Hello? Are you getting it? Any difficulty? Great. Krishna account has got closed. 24th. Chala. Next. 28th. Paid Sham how much? 215. Discount allowed 10. See, when you are paying, you will receive a discount. Hello. When you are paying the cash, you receive the discount. It is something like when you go to the shop, When will you get a discount? When you're selling something or when you're buying something? When you're buying something, you will receive a discount. When you are selling something, you should give a discount. Are you understood? So here it is, you are making the payment. So you are receiving a discount. So discount received is an income or expense? Discount received is an income. Understood? Okay. Now you are paying the money. Huh? Guys, paid to Sham. Sham was a liability. Just check here. Sham was a liability. ये देखो, Sham liability है sir. Liability increase हो गया था 225. अभी ये liability कम होगा कि नहीं? और only 215 से कम होगा या पूरा कम होगा? पूरा कम होगा, because he has given you a discount of how much? 10. Is that clear? Entry बोलो. Yeah, liability reduces. Sham account debit. Sham account debit. Complete 225. Correct? मगर कैश कितना गया? असेट गया. असेट रिड्यूसेस. कितना गया कैश? 215 और 10? 215. बराबर है? And remaining is income increases. Income to, tell me, discount received. कितना? 10. हो गया. This on 28th. बराबर है? 30th. This on 28th. 30th बोलो. 30th, tell me. Cash sales for the month, how much? 800. Correct? Cash sales for the month, 800. This is very simple. Cash sales hai. What did you get? Answer. All of you should open your mouth here. Please, come on. What did you get? What did you give? Goods. So entry will be cash account debit to sales. Cash account debit to sales is asset reduces or income increases. Any one of them to sales. कितना है वो? 800. समझ में आया? On the same day, I think some expenses are also paid. Have a look at it. Rent paid and salary paid. Rent paid and pay किया ना, and rent and salary are your expenses. Yes or no? Expense increases. Entry सांगा. Expense increases. Two expenses are increasing. Rent expense debit. Salary expense debit. बराबर है? To cash. Total is 150. Rent कितना है? Rent and salary कितना है बोलो? Rent is 50, salary is 100. So 50 and 100. Is that clear? Is it simple, guys? Very, very simple. Any difficulty? Same thing is given here. I have given the answers. I have just put it. Shall we proceed? Hello, guys. One thing you remember. Sir, इतने सारे journal entries क्यों चाहिए? Journal entries only will help you. If you know the debit credit principles properly, everything is sorted out. And let me tell you, 80% of the problems are solved if you know the debit and credit. Sir, क्या बात कर रहे हो? Everything is solved by debit and credit. Answer is yes. 11th standard, 12th standard portion, CA foundation, CA enter, debit credit से ही solve होगा आपका. If you don't know the debit credit, then it becomes a problem. And the process. Obviously, you should understand the process. That is why I am taking good number of questions on debit and credit. Journal entries. Shall we go to the third question? Okay, now keep on writing as I say. Is that clear? I am not going to put the narration anyway. In the answers, narration are given. Okay. Okay. Come down. Illustration 3. Illustration 3. This is illustration 3. Okay. Now, I'll read it here. Record the following transactions in the journal of Delhi Furniture Mart. Hello. Sir, why are you underlining this, sir? Delhi Furniture Mart. It means that he is a dealer in Furniture. So if he purchases furniture with an intention to sell, then it is goods. But if he purchases furniture with an intention to use, then they are not goods. Then it becomes a fixed asset or a PPE. Is that clear? Understood? Okay. Shall we go to the first transaction? Okay. First one. Started business with cash 10,000. Simple. Please tell me the entry. Cash account debit 10,000. Asset increases? Yeah. And capital also increases. To capital account 10,000. Did you get it? What I am putting in bracket is important. Second bolo. Tell me the second date. Deposit into bank how much? 9,000. Deposited into bank 9,000 means this cash what you have received is now deposited to bank to the extent of 9,000 only. Entry bolo. Entry. Asset increases. Bank account. अरे सब लोगों को मुंह खोलना है यार. Bank account debit 9,000 to asset reduces. बोलते जाओ. One asset increases, one asset reduces. Repeat. Bank is an asset, increases. Cash is an asset, decreases. Clear? Okay. अभी ऐसा ही बताने का है क्लास में. Next, third. Purchased machinery, not furniture. Purchased machinery for 5,000 from Jawahar and gave him a check for the amount. Check दे दिया आपने. No, it is not purchased. These are not your goods. You are a dealer in furniture. You are not a dealer in machinery. Might be machinery you want to use that machinery in cutting the furniture and all those things. Is that clear? So it's a fixed asset. Yes or no? For fixed assets, purchase, sales return, purchase return nahi aata. It will be machinery only. Is that clear? Entry. What should I write in bracket? Asset increases. Which is that asset? Machinery. Very good. Machinery account debit. How much? 5,000. Have you paid the cash or have you paid a check? Check means bank is an asset, reduces to bank. How much? 5,000. Are you able to get it? All of you? Good. One asset increases, another asset reduces. आ जाओ. Third. अभी fifth. Hello. I'll ask you the question. Paid installation charges of machinery. This 100 rupees is installation charges. Go back to the basic class. Germany से machine लाया, machine को install किया. Installation charges are revenue expenditure or capital expenditure? And capital expenditure will create an. So this also should be debited to an asset. That is machinery account. Yes or no? Capital expenditure will create an asset. Machinery account debit to cash. It is paid in cash. We assume it is paid in cash. Fifth date. Explain. One asset increases. What is that? Machinery account debit. Great. How much? 100. To cash. Asset reduces. One asset increases. Another asset reduces. Is that clear? Next. Not 6th. Date is 20th. Chalo. 20th. Yep. Tell me. Purchased timber. Timber under wood. Katgiri. Lakud. Is that clear? Purchased timber from Naveen of a list price 2,000. He allowed 10% trade discount. Abhi aa jao. Now see, as and how the things come, no, I give the explanation then and there itself. So thoda dhyan se suno. Now, guys, concentrate here. First of all, what is trade discount and what is cash discount? There are two types of discount, trade discount and I'll explain this. Hear it carefully. Okay, now I am the wholesaler. I am the or a manufacturer. I am selling the goods to the retailer. So when I sell the goods to a retailer, it is like B2B, business to business. It is not B2C. I am not directly selling it to the customer. Now tell me, are retailers very, very important for the wholesaler? Yes. And generally, when the wholesaler or the retailer, even they purchase from the manufacturer, they generally purchase in small quantities or large quantities. When they purchase in large quantities, the manufacturer gives the discount to the wholesaler or the retailer. And this discount is known as quantity discount. What discount? And this quantity discount is nothing but trade discount. What discount? To maintain proper relationship. To maintain proper. Now, take the example of DMart. DMart का example लेंगे. You feel that DMart is purchasing the goods from any wholesaler or directly from the manufacturer? They उतना उसका है, capacity है. Of course, not all the items, but at least some of the items he directly takes from. And I'll tell you, my dear friends, manufacturer also. Now just imagine you are the DMart and I am the manufacturer. मुझे भी एक बड़ा customer मिल रहा है ना? Yes or no? Correct. Will you be purchasing oil in 100 liters, 200 liters, 1000 liters or lakhs together? Lakhs together, क्योंकि DMart is spread across India. Lakhs together, you are saying process the oil. Now tell me, for me, lakhs together oil should be processed in one go. मेरा cost भी कम रहेगा ना? अरे answer यार. Obviously, then I'll give you a discount. That is quantity discount. What discount? This is known as trade discount, and this trade discount should not be recorded in the books. Should not be. Is that clear? That is trade discount. So then what is cash discount? Cash discount is a discount given on prompt payment of cash. On prompt payment of. Now here the example. थोड़ा example सुनो. Okay. Sir, you have sold goods to Vinayak sir worth rupees 10,000. Okay. At a trade discount. At a trade discount of 10%. So it means that what is the price now? 9,000. So the journal entry is passed for only 9,000 and not for what? 10,000, because trade discount will not be recorded in the books. Is that clear? So I repeat, you have sold the goods to Vinayak sir. List price is 10,000. Trade discount is 10%. It means that you have to receive from me how much? 9,000. Pass the entry in your books. Tell me. Pass the entry. Goods sold to Vinayak sir on credit. Pass the entry. Very good. You'll say Vinayak sir account debit. Vinayak sir debit 9,000 to sales 9,000. Very good. Have you recorded the discount here? No, because trade discount should not be recorded in the books. Now, look at the story. When you sell the goods to me on credit, will you give me a credit period? Arey bolo bhai. Now, you're telling me, Mr. Vinayak, credit period is 30 days. How many days? But you put a condition. If you pay me, you putting a condition to Vinayak sir, if you pay me within next 5 days, next 5 days, then, okay, then Vinayak sir will get discount, will get 10% discount. Now what? Okay, we'll take 5% discount. Confusion nahi chahiye. 5% discount. Now tell me, what is this 5% discount? And when will you give this discount to sir? Sir pays on 6th day or 5th day only? Within the 5 days if I pay, then only you will pay me what? Then only you say, okay sir, 5% you don't pay. It means that this discount you are giving me to maintain the relationship or for prompt payment of cash? For prompt payment of cash. Condition देखो 30 दिन का credit period है, बट और एक कंडीशन है, 5 दिन के अंदर दोगे तो आपको 5% डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. एंड दिस इज कैश डिस्काउंट. दिस इज, sir, this cash discount should be recorded. Answer is yes. Now in the previous examples we have recorded discount received, discount allowed. That is not trade discount. That is what? Cash discount. In the previous examples what we have done. That is understood. Is that clear? Now tell me, sir pays within the next 5 days. Tell me the entry. Sir pays within the next 5 days means from your angle it is received. How much are you receiving? 5% less. 5% of this is minus 450 करो. 900 is 10%. Half is 450. 450 minus करो. कितना मिलेगा आपको? You are receiving cash. Cash account debit 8550. You are saying, okay sir, very good. You have paid me within the 5 days. Thank you sir. We are giving you a discount. So discount is an expense for you. It is not a loss. It is not a. Reason is 8550 आपको जल्दी मिल रहा है. And you can invest it somewhere else. Time value of money, you studied your chapter, I have taught you all. This will earn interest or no? So it is an expense. So asset increases, expense also increases, discount allowed. Discount allowed. Debit how much? 450. To Vinayak sir. Vinayak sir account gets closed. How much? 9,000. You have sold the goods to Vinayak sir. List price 10,000, trade discount 10%, journal entries for 9,000, but you also receive a cash discount. Understood the difference between, tell me, ये asset कम हो गया. Trade discount and cash discount? Trade discount should be recorded or not recorded? Cash discount? Why and all I have given you the reasoning. Any difficulty? Okay, आ जाओ अभी. आजा. ओके तो इधर क्या बोला है? 20 तारीख को बोलो क्या है? 20th. परचेज टिम्बर फ्रॉम नवीन एट अ लिस्ट प्राइस ऑफ हाउ मच? 2000. अलाउड 10% ट्रेड डिस्काउंट. सो व्हाट journal entry should be for 2000 or 1800? That is 10% of 2000 is 200. 200 minus karo. Answer is 1800. Now tell me the entry here. Is it a cash transaction or a credit transaction? Why credit? Because they have said purchase timber from Naveen. Utna hi diya hai. Nowhere they have mentioned it is cash or credit. And if name is mentioned and cash or credit is not mentioned, it is always on credit. Is that clear? आ जाओ. Entry बोलो. 20th, no, this is. Yes, date 20th. बोलो. Timber furniture account or purchase account? Very good. Purchases account debit. Tell me. Purchases account debit. कितना? 1800. That is asset increases or expense increases. One and the same. 2. Liability increases. पैसा देने का है, पैसे द्यायचा है, ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡತಕ್ಕದ್ದು ಯಾರು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು? ದುಡ್ಡು ನವೀನಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ನಿಮ್ದು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಯುವರ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಹೌ ಮಚ್? 1800. ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಎನಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ? All of you are able to understand? Okay, next. 23rd. Furniture costing 500 was used in furnishing the office. Interesting. Hello, please concentrate here. I am a dealer in furniture. Okay, if I purchase the furniture, entry will be purchases account debit to cash. All of you agree? Okay, I'll give you an example here. Concentrate. I purchased 10 chairs. How many chairs? 10 chairs. Today I purchased 10 chairs. Worth rupees 10,000. Worth rupees? Entry. Purchase account debit 10,000 to cash. बराबर है? Next. Next day, I feel this chair is very good. I don't want to sell it. I have decided that one chair I'll keep it for my office. Are you getting the correct? Yes or no? When did I purchase the chairs? Yesterday. Today I am deciding out of those 10 chairs, one chair I'll keep it for my what? Office, not meant for sale. Now your stock is getting converted into fixed asset. Yes or no? Clear? Entry. Entry will be, tell me. Very good, tell me. Asset increases. Furniture account debit. Kya? Furniture account debit. Asset increases. Clear? 2. Very good. Purchases. It is no more. Sir, I treated it as purchases previous day. No. But it is not your purchase today. It is not your goods. It has become your what? Fixed assets. So purchase क्या होना चाहिए? Come. Expenses come. या asset come. या expenses come. It is no more your expense. It is your fixed asset. It is no more your revenue expenditure. It is your capital expenditure होगा. So revenue expenditure treated as what? Capital expenditure. उसका entry है. कितना amount? 500, no? 500. All of you agree? People who are attending advanced accounting only, yes, able to understand? Yes or no? All of you? Others? दिमाग पे जा रहा है? Next. Yeah. Shall we proceed? आगे जाएं? Okay. Come back to the next one. Sold furniture. Sold furniture to Naresh of the list price 1000 and allowed him 5% trade discount. Again trade discount hai. So trade discount should be recorded or not recorded? Now tell me, what is the list price? 1000. 5% will be 50 rupees. So from 1000 you deduct 50 rupees, you'll get how much? So 1000 minus 50 will give you 950. 950 को entry मारना चाहिए. Sold furniture to Naresh. Furniture you have sold. It means that goods you have sold. Yes or no? And it is cash or credit? If nothing is mentioned, it is credit. नाम तो mention किया है. Entry. Naresh. Explain the entry. Who is Naresh? Who is Naresh? Naresh account debit. He is a debtor. Asset increases. ದುಡ್ಡು ಬರತಕ್ಕದ್ದು. ನೀವು ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ನೀವು ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಏನಾಕೈತಿ, ಅವನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಬಂದೈತೇನು? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬರಬೇಕು ಅವನ अकाउंट डेबिट. कुणाच्याकडून पैसे येणे त्याचा अकाउंट डेबिट. किसके पास से पैसा आने वाला है उसका अकाउंट डेबिट. इधर नरेश से पैसा आने वाला है, अभी तक आया नहीं, उसका अकाउंट डेबिट करो. How much is the amount? 950. And it is sales. Obviously it is sales. So either asset reduces or income increases. To sales. Clear? Date is what? What is this date? 25. ये 25th को. 28th को. I think 28th there is some other transaction. Okay. Now, received a cross check. What is that cross check and all? I'll explain you later on. You assume it as a check. Received a cross check from Naresh. Rupees, how much? Sir, you have sold the goods to Naresh 950, no? So you have to receive 950, no? But you are receiving 950 or less amount? In full settlement and send the check to the bank. Bank को भेज दिया check. Might be Naresh is paying within those 5 days. ऐसा कुछ condition रहेगा ना? तो उसको आप cash discount दे रहे हो कितना? Another 20 rupees. You have to receive 950. You have received a check of only 930. Tell me the entry. What did you get? Check. And that check is deposited into bank. So bank balance. So bank balance is an asset. Asset increases. Bank account debit. Kitna? 930. Sir, but I am receiving 20 less. Chalega. Because I am receiving the check immediately. So I am ready to give a discount. वैसा बोलोगे ना आप? So tell me, you have given a discount of how much? So expense increases. Discount allowed. You have to think from your angle as if you are the businessman. 20. To what? अरे बोलो. To asset reduces. Debtors balance reduces. नरेश को इधर डेबिट किया है. अबे नरेश को उसका अकाउंट क्लोज हो गया. 950 क्लोज हो गया उसका अकाउंट. asset reduces. Please take it down the way I am writing on the board. Please take it down. Write it. In bracket, whatever I have written, please keep on writing. Next, 29th ko. Shall we go ahead? Okay, come back to 29th. Send to Naveen in full settlement a check of 1750. Now नवीन कौन है पहला देखिए. आपके बुक्स में नवीन है क्या? है ना भाई साहब. इधर नवीन है ना, liability. Have a look at it. Naveen was a liability because you had purchased some goods and you have to pay him 1800. Now how much are you paying him? 1750 only on account or in full settlement of his account? When they say full settlement, then uska account pura close hona chahiye. If they say on account, see here, two things are there: paid on account and paid in full settlement of his account. When I say paid on account, means it is not fully paid, it is partly paid. What? Remaining part is not a discount, we'll pay it later on. If you say paid in full settlement of his account, means his account itself is getting closed. Now tell me, Naveen is a liability for you? दुड्डू कोड़ा तक कद्दू. पैसे देने, पैसा देने का है. कितना देने का है नवीन को? अभी दिया ना उसका, और उसका पूरा अकाउंट सेटल कर दिया. Yes. So your liability increases or decreases? अरे आंसर. Your liability reduces, because liability reduces means liability account को debit. So Naveen account debit. Is that clear? अरे understood or no? Entry ಹೇಳಿ ಇವಾಗ. Tell me. Liability increases or liability reduces? Who is that liability? Liability का नाम क्या है? Naveen. Liability reduces. Naveen account debit. क्लोज हो गया 1800. कितना का चेक दिया क्या कैश दिया? पक्का चेक दिया ना? हाँ, चेक टू बैंक. चेक दिया तो बैंक, कैश नहीं. एसेट रिड्यूसेस, बैंक का बैलेंस कम होगा. कितना? 17. एंड इनकम इंक्रीजेस. अरे यस और नो? टू डिस्काउंट रिसीव्ड बिकॉज इट इज इन फुल सेटलमेंट. हेलो, सपोज मैंने सेंटेंस चेंज कर दिया इधर. सेंड टू नवीन, ये फुल सेटलमेंट कैंसिल कर दिया. हेलो, आर यू गेटिंग इट व्हाट आई एम राइटिंग हियर? ये वर्ड फुल सेटलमेंट कैंसिल कर दिया और लिखा सेंड टू नवीन अ चेक ऑफ 1750 ऑन अकाउंट. ऑन नाउ फुल सेटलमेंट कैंसिल कर दिया. विल योर आंसर चेंज नाउ? क्या होगा आंसर? एंट्री विल बी ओनली फॉर 1750. मीन्स योर लायबिलिटी हैज रिड्यूस्ड टू द एक्सटेंट ऑफ ओनली हाउ मच? 1750, not 1800. Then in that case, Naveen account debit 1750 to bank account 1750 because it is paid on account, not in full settlement. Is that clear? समझ में आ रहा है? All of you? Paid wages 350 and rent 200. Very simple. This is a very simplest entry. Tell me the entry. 30th को ना? Expense, 31st. Expense increases. Wages is an expense. Wages expense debit. और एक expense debit हो रहा है. कौन सा? Rent expense debit. To how much are you paying wages? और rent कितना है? Total is 550. Asset reduces. Is that clear? Is that clear? Any difficulty? Okay. Getting it? Okay, now wait. Fun. We'll have fun now. Wait. Illustration 4. Okay, illustration 4. I am giving you 5 minutes time. How much? Yes, I have given you 5 minutes now. I hope all of you have done it. Okay. No, some of you are saying no. Okay. No. आ जाओ. Yeah. Withdrawn goods for personal use. What are you withdrawing? Cash or goods? Entry. Capital reduces. Drawings account debit. What price? Sales price or cost price? Not sales price but cost price. Reason is you cannot sell the goods to yourself. 500. 2. Purchases. It cannot be treated as sales. Always asset reduces. They were your purchases, but now they are not your purchases. So earlier you treated them as an expense. Now expense reduces or asset reduces. Is that clear? 500. Illa. Barak barangilla. It is not your opening stock, closing stock. Is that clear? It has to be purchases because this is during the year, not at the end of the year. Is that clear? Second. Goods costing 500 given as charity, selling price is 600. Now you are giving something as charity, you will not record it at selling price. You will record it at cost price. Charity is an expense or donation. Expense increases. Charity, or you can even say what? Donation expense, debit. It's an expense. Kitna? 2. Purchases. Purchases only will be credited. Asset reduces or expense reduces. It was your expense earlier, purchase. Now it is no more your expense because now it is getting converted into what? Charity. Or asset reduces and tanbitri. That is easier. Is that clear? Next. All of you are able to understand 100% concentration, guys. Third. Goods costing 1000 distributed as free samples. Selling price is 1200. Now why do you distribute the goods as free samples? Because you want advertisement of your product. Yes or no? So it is expense increases. Advertisement expense or sales promotion expense. What expense? Anything you can put. Sales promotion debit 1000. 2. Purchases. Every time purchases is what? Credited. Asset reduces. Easy hai? Getting it? Next. Heli. Fourth aito. Third aito. Fourth. Goods stolen in transit. Means when the goods are in transit, they are stolen. They should also be recorded at what price? Cost price. Is that clear? Now, purchases will come down. Yes or no? Because goods which are purchased are what? Stolen. Yes? Very good. Loss. LO. Not liability. LO. LO is loss. Loss increases. Loss in transit. Loss in transit debit. 800. 800, na? Yeah. Cost price is how much? 800. Loss in transit account debit to purchases. Here again purchases is credited. Asset reduces. Is that clear? Fifth. Loss due to loss by fire account debit. Loss increases. Loss by fire debit. 800. 2. Purchases. 800. Asset reduces. Sixth. Goods stolen by employee. आपका एक एम्प्लॉई है, चोरी किया है. ए, don't take names. Okay. We'll say Mr. X. Mr. X has stolen your goods. Correct? अभी एंट्री बोलो. I'll deliberate on this point a bit. थोड़ा ज़्यादा एक्सप्लेनेशन चाहिए इसको, क्योंकि थोड़ा ट्विस्ट भी करेंगे इसको. ओके, राइट नाउ यू टेल मी, इज इट अ लॉस? येस और नो? व्हाई? बिकॉज गुड्स आर स्टोलन बाय एम्प्लॉय. दिस इज नोन एज लॉस बाय थेफ्ट, लॉस बाय और लॉस बाय एम्बेजलमेंट. द वर्ड एम्बेजलमेंट मीन्स एम्प्लॉय इज मेकिंग अ थेफ्ट. इज दैट क्लियर? लफड़ा कर रहा है. एम्बेजलमेंट. इज दैट क्लियर? सो यू कैन पुट इट एज लॉस बाय थेफ्ट और लॉस बाय एम्बेजलमेंट, दोनों चलेगा. इधर आंसर दिया है लॉस बाय, देखो लॉस बाय एम्बेजलमेंट. यू कैन कॉल इट एज व्हाट? थेफ्ट ऑल्सो. इज दैट क्लियर? ओके, आ जाओ, एंट्री बोलो. लॉस इंक्रीजेस, लॉस बाय थेफ्ट डेबिट, ऑब्वियसली डेबिट. 2 purchases, asset reduces. 600. Yes, 600. Now wait. एक मिनट रहो. ओके, थोड़ा इसको ट्विस्ट करूंगा मैं डेट डाल के. ओके ओके, नया कुछ लेंगे या ऐसा ही. ओके, आपका एक एम्प्लॉई है ऑन 7, टुडे इज 11th नो, ऑन 11/7 उसने चोरी किया है. हेलो, अरे ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज कॉन्सेंट्रेट हियर. उसने कब चोरी किया है? 11th को चोरी किया है. हियर इट केयरफुली. He has robbed it on 11th. You are coming to know that on 13/7. कब चोरी किया? आपको कब पता चल रहा है? 13th को. तो आपको जर्नल एंट्री लॉस का कब मारना चाहिए? 11th को या 13th को? फंस गया ओबामा. हाँ बोलो. हाँ 13th है. क्यों? क्योंकि उसको मालूम नहीं था. वो इवेंट कब हुआ है? इवेंट कब हुआ है? इट शुड बी रिकॉर्डेड ऑन 11th ओनली. सर बात तो मुझे पता चल गया 13th को. अरे भाई, बैक डेटेड एंट्री पास करना है. क्या करना है? Though you are on 13th, but the actual event has happened on 13th or actual event has happened on 11th. 11th को ही पास करना है आपको. Sir, but today is 13th. No, you have to record it on what? Dated 11th. Dated, you are passing the entry today. Let us say today is 13th. You are passing the entry today, but date should be 11th, because the event has taken place on. Dates are important. Yes or no? I repeat once again. चोरी कब हुआ है? आपको कब पता चला? हाँ, इवेंट कब हुआ है? वो चोरी तो ट्रांजैक्शन नहीं है, इवेंट ही है. करेक्ट. 11th only have to pass. Sir, but how can I pass? Today is 13th. No sir, back dated pass करो. और बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स आर स्टिल नॉट क्लोज्ड. हाँ, एक बार आपका बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स क्लोज हो गया, तब क्या एंट्री आएगा? वो रेक्टिफिकेशन, वो हम बाद में देखेंगे. इज दैट क्लियर? They have still not reached that stage of rectification. Right now, try to understand event कब हुआ है? 11th को पास करना है. What entry will you pass? Loss by theft. Debit 600 to purchases 600. Okay? Now wait. 15th को, hello, कौन चोरी किया है? Employee. Who? What is his name? Mr. X. Now 15th, when you are going in the market, you look at him. What will you do? You will first catch his collar and you say, useless fellow, come here. चोरी करके जाता है. Yes or no? You will catch and you will try to first bang him, no? Then हाँ, एक मिनट. बाद में वो क्या बोलता है? सॉरी सर, मैंने चोरी किया है, सीसीटीवी कैमरा में भी आ चुका है, आई एम रियली सॉरी, बट आई एम रेडी टू गिव योर मनी बैक. गुड्स तो नहीं है, आई विल गिव योर गुड्स बैक. एम्प्लॉय बोल रहा है. नाउ ऑन 15th, हेलो, ऑन 15th ही इज सेइंग आई विल गिव यू द मनी बैक. ही हैज नॉट गिवन द मनी. Now you know his house, everything you know. Correct? Should you pass an entry? What entry should you pass? Employee म्हटला ना, एम्प्लॉय ने बोल दिया ना, पैसा दूंगा. Now from your angle, पैसे, दुड्डू, बरतकद्दू, पैसे एने, पैसा आने का है. आपको क्या मिला? प्रॉमिस मिला ना. प्रॉमिस किससे मिला? मिस्टर एंट्री. Mr. X account debit. How much? Asset increases. इधर तो लॉस इंक्रीज हो गया. LO लॉस इंक्रीज हो गया, ये असेट डिक्रीज हो गया. बरोबर है? अभी ये असेट इंक्रीजेस, डेटर्स इंक्रीजेस. बरोबर है? 2. वेरी गुड. टेल मी. लॉस कम्स डाउन. लॉस If loss comes down, look at the rules. If loss comes down, it has to be credited. Yes or no? So loss इधर जो डेबिट हुआ है उसको क्या करना है? To loss by theft. Loss reduces by how much? 600. Now on 18th, hello, on 18/7, he pays the cash to you. डर के मारे. एंट्री बोलो. ये ट्रांजैक्शन हुआ, एंट्री बोलो. वेरी गुड. कैश अकाउंट डेबिट. हाउ मच? 2. वेरी गुड. यू आर बिकमिंग वेरी स्मार्ट, मिस्टर एक्स. एसेट रिड्यूसेस. गॉट इट? दिमाग में जा रहा है कि नहीं? Clear? Now, these, ये देखो, see, these are the things what happens in the organization. Now, this they will not tell you in your PUC 1 and PUC 2 or BCom also. You have to inquire. This is the job of the accountant. Accountant को पूछना ये क्या हो रहा है? नहीं सर वो चोरी करके चला गया सर 11th को. वो एंट्री मार तू लॉस करके पहला. हम उसको ढूंढेंगे. ढूंढ लिया 13th को. 15th को बोल रहा है वो. 13th को नहीं, 13th को पता चला लॉस हुआ है करके. बराबर है? 15th को ढूंढ लिया उसको. वो सीधा आके आपके पैर के ऊपर गिर गया. इवेंट है कि नहीं? एंड ही प्रॉमिस टू पे यू दैट 600. बराबर है? नाउ रिकॉर्ड इट. नो? यस और नो? Loss comes down, debtors balance increases, and once you receive cash, this is the case. This is a case which I am telling you. So कब event होता है, कब transaction होता है, वो important है. Is that clear? All of you? Any difficulty? These things you have to understand. These are the minute things which people don't understand only. बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है डेबिट क्रेडिट के लिए. शैल वी प्रोसीड? अभी तो फिलहाल वी ट्रीट इट एज लॉस एंड अज्यूम दैट एम्प्लॉय भाग गया एंड हेंस इट इज अ लॉस. हाँ, आंसर. व्हाट लॉस रिकवर्ड? वेयर आर यू गोइंग टू राइट लॉस रिकवर्ड? टेल मी. हाँ, 15th. एंट्री बोलो. हाँ, नो, दैट लॉस ओनली कम्स डाउन. नो, सो लॉस जब कम होता है, अभी लॉस कम हो गया ना, शी इज सेइंग आई विल पुट अनदर अकाउंट लॉस रिकवर्ड. नहीं, ट्रीट इट एज दिस लॉस हैज कम डाउन, दैट्स इट. इज दैट क्लियर? इट इज नॉट लाइक बैड डेट्स रिकवर्ड. बैड डेट्स व्हाट? डेबिट. बैड डेट्स आल्सो कैन बी क्रेडिटेड, बट हियर बेटर पुट इट एज व्हाट? लॉस कम हो गया. इज दैट क्लियर? अंडरस्टूड? यू कैन पुट इट लॉस रिकवर्ड करके, बट देन दिस इज अ लॉस, देन दिस इज रिकवर्ड. टैलीज. लॉस हो गया, लॉस रिकवर हो गया. Matching, yes or no? But you put the same account. Understood? Is that clear? Are you getting anything extra? Are better than your college or no? Useless fellow, that is what I am asking you. Are you getting anything extra? No, nothing. Far better than your college. These are selected sums, guys. बहुत select करके लिया हूँ sums. Is that clear? So that you can understand everything. It is not building purchased for cash, furniture purchased for cash. ये नहीं है इधर. वो तो सिंपल है. बिल्डिंग अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश, फर्नीचर अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश. कोई भी बोलेगा वो. ये थोड़ा दिमाग वाला है. Is that clear? Dates are important. Cut off procedures very very important. आगे आपको पता चलेगा ऑडिटिंग में प्रैक्टिकली. Dates are important. Please don't mess with the dates. Clear? Understood? All of you? Shall we proceed? Great. Last one. Goods used in making furniture. Goods means you are a dealer in some goods. Those goods are used in making what? Furniture. Entry bolo. Furniture account debit. Fixed asset increases. Asset increases. Two purchases. Two purchases. So that is the entry. Understood? So in all these cases, purchase account itself is credited. समझ में आया? Because goods are only used. Goods are lost. Goods are lost by fire, embezzlement, theft, advertisement के लिए, चैरिटी के लिए, पर्सनल यूज के लिए, फॉर फर्नीचर. समझ में आया? इज दैट क्लियर? वेट, अभी इतना आसानी से नहीं छोड़ूंगा यार. Illustration 5. Okay guys, look at illustration number 5. One by one I'll take. Journalize the following transactions. Paid into bank 11,000 for opening a current account. Sir, what is this current account? Hello? When you go to the bank, what you have opened, you also have a bank account or no? That is not current account, that is SB account, savings bank. मेरा जो है मेरा current account है, because I am into business or profession. Is that clear? Now, sir, what is the difference SB or current account में? In SB there are limitations. ATM I think only 3 in a month. ATM withdrawal, you'll get only how many? 3 withdrawals in a month. Yes or no? Then what about me? I can withdraw any number of times. Current account है मेरा. But for SB, you will get the interest, at least 3% or 4%. I will not get any interest. But I have other facilities. I can withdraw the money, I can make the payment. Is that clear? कितना भी payment रहने तो कर सकता हूँ मैं. That is why business people open what account? Current account. Is that clear? It's a bank account only. At the end of the day, it is bank account. Entry, tell me, paid into bank. Bank debit. Asset increases. Okay, Nityashri will tell me, huh? Bank account debit, asset increases. Huh? Nityashri, tell me. 2. Nityashri, utralo. 2 cash. Asset reduces. Yes. Huh, mundelu. Second. Withdrew for private expenses. Withdrew means you are not withdrawing from bank. You are withdrawing cash only. Entry. Drawings account debit andre ಏನು ಹಾಕಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ನಾಗ? Capital increases or reduces? Drawings account debit. Instead of capital account, you put it as drawings. Debit 1,000. 2. ಏನು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ನಾಗ ಏನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು? What expense here? You are withdrawing cash? No. What is going out of the business? Asset reduces. ಇಲ್ಲಿ expense ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು? Yes. Understood or no? Expenditure ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಮ್ಮ, ಇದು expenditure ಹೆಂಗಾತು? You are withdrawing for private. See, withdrew for private expenses ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. It doesn't mean that it is your business expense. Private expense means personal. Personal expense is always debited to drawings. Don't say expense increases. You say capital reduces. If they say withdrew for expenses and not spent. See, generally, actually, if you go to see, withdrew for expenses 1,000, cash withdrawn only. You are withdrawing cash and you are spending it. That is the assumption here. So it is drawings account debit to cash. Understood? Third one, tell me, withdrew from bank. Now, withdrew from bank for what purpose is not given. But you are withdrawing cash from bank. So business के अंदर क्या आ गया? Cash. और बैंक बैलेंस कम हो गया. Yes. So third one, देखो इधर, cash account debit, asset increases, bank account credit, asset reduces. Is that clear? So third one के लिए क्या आएगा? Asset increases what? Cash. 2, bank. Bank balance कम हो रहा है, asset reduces. Amount कितना है? 3,000. 3,000, 3,000. All of you got it? Yes. Fourth one, withdrew from bank for private use. You have clearly cut, you have given. You are withdrawing the money for what use? Entry. Assuming you have spent on the same day. Entry. Drawings account debit to bank. Capital reduces. Asset also reduces. Is that clear? Last one, placed of FD at bank by transfer from current account 5,000. See, you are telling the banker, मेरा जो current account है उसमें से 5,000 निकाल के FD में रखो. Is that clear? So that money is transferred to what? FD. FD is an investment. Investments are assets. Investments are, so FD account debit, asset increases. To bank, bank balance reduces. So one bank balance reduces but FD increases. Is that clear? Entry. FD investment, FD account debit or investment account debit, asset increases. Bank asset reduces. Nowadays, hello, even current account they'll not give you any interest. But what I have done is, अगर मेरे पास समझो कि 50,000 से ज़्यादा है, so I have told the banker, up to 50,000 let it be in the bank, remaining you put it as FD. So मेरा current account में से गया है FD को. So let us say I am having 3 lakhs and I have told 50,000 रहने दो, remaining 2,50,000 should shift into what? FD. That will be shifted into what? FD, according to the directions of the account holder. Is that clear? Understood? Practically you can do that. Any difficulty? Any difficulty? Okay, before winding up. Hello? Before winding up, sixth illustration you have to do for your homework. Tomorrow we'll take it. कल मैं ये क्या ले लूंगा? Sixth question as well as seventh. ये सब करेंगे अभी. And eighth. Is that clear? Yes. Now your homework is only question number. If you want, you can try 7. If you want. Okay, guys, I will wind up. Before winding up, hello. Important things before winding up. 1. Concentrate. 1. Please show the consistency. Don't waste your time. Please show the consistency. Second, get totally involved into your studies. Rest of the things you have to leave. Is that clear? Like Arjun was able to see only the eye of the fish. Yes or no? Clear? That too in the reflection. उतना आपका concentration रहना चाहिए. Is that clear? Automatically Krishna will come behind you. Is that clear? So behave like Arjuna. Krishna will definitely come behind you. Is that clear? Okay guys, I will wind up. Jai Hind, like, share and subscribe. Thanks a lot.